What is a 401k and how does it work? If you've ever started a new job and heard someone mention a 401k, you may have nodded along without fully understanding what it actually means. So let's walk through it in simple, real-world terms. A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by many employers in the United States. It helps you set aside money now so you can support yourself later in life when you're no longer working full-time. Here's one example to make it real. Let's say Jordan is 25 years old and just started a job earning $50,000 a year. Jordan decides to contribute 5% of each paycheck to a 401k. That's about $2,500 per year, or a little over $200 a month. Because this is a traditional 401k, that money comes out before taxes. So Jordan's take-home pay is slightly lower, but Jordan also pays less in taxes today. Jordan's employer offers a match, 50 cents for every dollar contributed, up to 5% of salary. That means the employer adds an extra $1,250 to Jordan's account each year. Jordan puts in $2,500, but the account grows by $3,750 annually. That money is invested in a mix of stocks and bonds through mutual funds. Some years the market goes up, some years it goes down, but over time the goal is growth. Now here's where time matters. If Jordan keeps contributing that same amount every year and earns an average return of about 7%, by age 65 Jordan could have several $100,000 saved for retirement. And that's without increasing contributions or salary over time. If Jordan had waited until age 35 to start, the final amount could be less than half of that, even with the same monthly contribution. Starting early makes a big difference. There are also rules about accessing this money. If Jordan tries to withdraw from the 401k at age 35, that money would likely be taxed and hit with an extra 10% penalty. That's why a 401k is meant for long-term savings, not everyday expenses or emergencies. In simple terms, a 401k turns small, automatic contributions into long-term financial stability. It works best when you start early, contribute consistently, and take advantage of employer matching whenever it's available.
Thanks for joining us for Life Skills with Blackened Reads. This is a passion project from our team to help with people transitioning into adulting. If you have any topics you would like us to cover, please comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.